AI-based predictive maintenance revolutionizes industrial operations by enhancing efficiency, cutting costs, and boosting productivity. Powa, a solution by Aventune, empowers companies to adopt predictive maintenance using machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms. These technologies analyze vast data sets from sensors, machinery, and monitoring systems to predict failures and malfunctions. Key benefits include continuous monitoring via IoT sensors that collect real-time data from industrial assets, advanced data analysis to accurately predict potential failures, optimized maintenance schedules, ensuring maintenance is performed only when necessary, which reduces operational costs, minimize downtime by preventing issues. Aventune is your trusted partner in helping you create an effective predictive maintenance strategy for your company. Choose Aventune. Contact us today for a free consultation. Discover more at aventune.com.